Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see Oracle Enterprise Manager 13.5 release new features. Oracle Enterprise Manager 13C release 5 features and overview. Let's go to the topic one by one, and it has been collected this Oracle blog. I have collected all this information and details, the new features information. Let's go to the discussion and go to the video. It's my 100th video in my channel, so let's move on. Oracle Enterprise Manager OEM 13.5 release. This release has been in the making for over a year and represent major breakthroughs in the scoring and management automation for Oracle environments. Manage migration with confidence, lower complexity and risk in managing large hybrid cloud deployments of Oracle technologies, offering extensibility, increased industry compliance, standard support and platform resiliency. So Oracle Enterprise Manager, what's new? Hybrid cloud management, fleet monitoring, management and data movement across entire IT estate, on premises and the cloud. Ops automation, enhanced automation and modernization of key management tasks, and then extensibility, open standard based extension for interoperability with third party ecosystems. So another key features like hyperscale observability and management, integrated full stack management, leader in data management. So hyperscale observability and management, monitoring and management of millions of targets, highly performant and scalable platform. Integrated full stack management, deep management of entire Oracle software stack, full support for Oracle engineered system, leader in data management, industry leader in Oracle database performance management, full lifecycle management. Okay, hyperscale observability and management. A single EM deployment can scale up to monitor and manage millions of targets. In addition to hyperscalability, EM provides smart features and approaches to manage at scale, including dynamic groups, monitoring templates, event compression, and more. You cannot practically manage large environments without utilizing such features. Integrated full stack management. EM provides an in-depth management of the entire Oracle stack. We call this application to SSD monitoring and management, covering packaged applications such as e-business suite, PeopleSoft, and seeable custom-built apps, middle tier and application server, database, operating system, and virtual infrastructure. EM also provides a comprehensive support for Oracle engineered systems such as Oracle Exadata, Oracle Database Appliance ODA, Zero Data Loss like Recovery Appliance ZDLRA, and private cloud appliance PCA, supporting integrated hardware and software monitoring and management of the systems as well as lifecycle management of the database running on Exadata, PCA and ODA. And then leader in data management. EM has been a companion for the Oracle database middle tier and appliance for over 20 years. As the Oracle database has evolved and improved over the time, EM has kept pace with features that enable DBS to take advantage of those advancements and help manage growing environments in scalable fashion. So here it is: hybrid cloud management, ops automation, extensibility of this diagram. Administrator system across on-premises and cloud within one tool. Ops automation, automate management operation at a cloud scale. Extensibility, extend interoperability with other tools in ecosystem. This is called the next generation system management. The key challenges from customers. Many companies are managing on-premises environment that one set of tools and practices and cloud environments in a completely different way, creating operations and data flows which are inefficient and error prone. Furthermore, it is difficult to operate at cloud speed if you are must perform a lot of manual operation. The more you can automate your operations, the better the quality of service you can provide. Finally, customers are constantly streamlining IT tooling and information sharing. There is a need of facilitate coexistence, interoperability, and integration across different classes of tooling. Okay. What's new in OEM 13.5 release? Monitor and manage your hybrid fleet from deployed on premises or in the cloud. Support for OCI database resources, Autonomous DB, Exadata CS, Exadata CC. Self-service deployment of database across on premises and OCI hybrid DB as a service. Simplified data movement from on premises to OCI with the DB migration workbench. Connect EM with OCI using Cloud Bridge for deep operational analytics. So here it is, Enterprise Manager. There it is, public cloud services, PCS, cloud customer, and then traditional data center. So hybrid cloud management. With this new release of Enterprise Manager, you can manage targets running anywhere on premises or in the cloud. You don't need to learn or deeply new tools. Your existing best practice scripts or jobs can be applied to cloud resources just like an on-premises resources. Specifically for Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI resources, EM understand that native cloud APIs for management operation and leverages them to provide a seamless experience. If you are using or considering using Oracle Cloud Database such as Autonomous Database, Exadata Cloud Service or Exadata Cloud Customer, you can comprehensively manage them with EM. EM Hybrid Database as a service now supports self-service provision across on-premises and OCI, VM, bare metal and Exadata Cloud Service and Exadata Cloud at Customer, and provides self-service governance tools for effective cloud resource utilization. Database migration at Workbench provides a complete platform to help DBS move databases between on-premises and OCI. This Workbench helps you plan the migration, performs prerequisites checks to make sure that migration can occur successfully. Then selects the best data movement technology, that is Datapump and Harmon, etc. Based on the source and target choices such as database version and type of the database, and then executes the actual migration plan. Post migration uses SQL performance analyzer feature to make sure your workload on the migrated platform will perform well. If any performance regression are detected, it reports them to you so that you can take proactive action before opening up the database for end user. Another new features were introduced, OCI Bridge. You can think of that the connection of from EM to Oracle Cloud. The bridge is used to copy data from EM repository and the target it manages to the designated OCI object store, where it accessed by OCI services such as logging, analytical and operations insights. These cloud services provide deep analytics and identify data patterns which can help prevent outages and achieve better application and database performance regardless of where your database are deployed. So here it is, databases, unique host and engineered system, your data, other and add it for compliance, secure configuration, automated patching, continuous performance analysis and automated response and remediation. So here it is, a speed up of incident resolution with the dynamic runbooks and smart event compression, and identify data performance changes with automatic workload analysis. This is a very excellent new feature in the EM. Create EM warehouse for capacity forecasting and performance trending, enforce security and compliance with the updated compliance framework. And then new fleet maintenance UI simplifies patching and hardens security. So ops automation, next one. EM 13.5 are also delivering several new capabilities in this release which that will enable better operation automation. Smart event compression automatically groups multiple separate but related events into the single incident. For example, when a host goes down, the resulting availability events on the host and all targets on the host will automatically compressed into a single incident. Working with a smaller set of actionable incidents enable operation teams to better triage, respond and manage incidents. And then dynamic runbooks treat up an incident resolution by encapsulating subject matter expertise for diagnosing and resolving incident into the actionable runbook procedure in EM. In this release, these teams can create this runbook procedure directly inside EM. This allows team to encapsulate in EM their operational enterprise in diagnosing and resolving incident. When an incident arises, IT ops teams have easy access to appropriate runbook and can quickly execute the specific procedures. This procedure can dynamically Invoke metric charts or execute an SQL or an voice command. This promotes more consistent and faster incident response time and reduces overall mean time to recovery (MTTR). In the area of performance management, we have very cool new feature called automatic workload analysis. With this feature, EM constantly compares the current database performance with the baseline workload, and any divergence from this baseline is highlighted on the database homepage. Examples of changes highlighted include regressed SQL statement and their quantified impact on the workload, reason for regression, exam plan changes, increased IO, CPU, etc. New SQL statement on their impact. So this is very cool new feature added in the OEM 13.5 release. And note, this is for every DBA with interest in performance tuning. This feature will be an immense interest to you, right? A warehouse provides continuous extraction of EM data and uses OC Breeze to put autonomous data warehousing running in OC. You can use the EM matrix configuration and target data to do all kind of analysis without impacting EM score, function monitoring and management. On this data lake, you can performance trending, you can do capacity planning and any other kind of analysis using tool of choice. The robust EM compliance framework has been enhanced with the new out-of-the-box compliance standards for CIS for Oracle Database 19C and STIG, PCI, DSS, HIPAA for OL 7 or OL 8. In addition, you can leverage the Oracle Autonomous Health Framework AHF compliance standards for to secure all engineered system components. And a new fleet maintenance UI uses patching and upgrading of the entire database fleet. It provides intelligent tracking of every step of the upgrade and or patch operation with actionable insight to the diagnose issues. A built-in library prerequisite checks improve the reliability and diagnosability of this upgrade process. Very cool new features. These are all added in the OEM 13.5 release. So extensibility. In the area extensibility, we have a number of noteworthy improvements as well. So here it is Enterprise Manager. Here REST API, my automation tool. So it is how automation works as a extensibility. It's provided in this diagram. Finally, you can now use REST API to execute management operation EM. This means that now you can invoke EM from your automation tools choice such as Ansible, Chef, Puppet, Terraform and others by directly calling REST APIs in place of EM CLI commands and perform management operations such as agent deployment, creation of new targets, alert configuration, job execution, credential management and more, much more. Okay, all right. Some large organizations have multiple EM deployments to support different parts of their business. EM function provides single pane of glass for monitoring and incident management across all EM sites. Data silos created by multiple EMs are now thin of the past, aggregating availability and monitoring information from these EM sites. So here is that dashboard, EM custom dashboard and a Grafana dashboard. So two dashboards are available. So Grafana dashboard looks like and the EM custom dashboard looks like. The new EM dashboard feature offers native compatibility for user to build a custom dashboard without out-of-the-box widget for data visualization. There is also an EM app for Grafana. To create Grafana dashboard for EM data, we have added new dashboard for WebLogic servers and JVM performance reports as well. Okay. Optimized EM patching and upgrades. Near zero downtime patching is a new feature in this release. This is also one of the coolest feature in this release. With the monthly release update RU model from the EM 13.1 version, staying up the release latest RU on EM can be challenging due to downtime to apply the patch. Meeting easily for planned maintenance and also losing sight of critical targets was always a question when moving to the latest RU. In this release, we are introducing near zero downtime patching and and the Oracle introducing near zero downtime patching for applying RUs on the EM while it is up and running. Therefore, thereby ensuring that critical monitoring and alerting is mostly available during planned maintenance. You should see up to the 90% of reduction downtime during EM patching with that this enhancement. Absolutely coolest one. So here it is. The pictorial diagram describes about this EM downtime during patching. So EM 13.4 full downtime. It is reduction of 90% reduction. EM 13.5. Very cool, right? So flexible deployment option with high availability. We actually Oracle started supporting EM on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Server over a year ago. These outlines of the steps deploying and running your EM instance on OCI. Now with the new release, we have introduced OCI HA support to make EM resilient and OCI monitoring cloud databases, appliances, and leveraging the OCI tools to make the EM site available during this disaster scenario. Enhanced self-monitoring and diagnostic. A number of new enhancements improve the self-diagnostic capability of EM and provide proactive health monitoring of the various EM subsystems. We have new job diagnosis dashboard to drill down into the performance and real-time status of the jobs running in or blocking of the system. This includes what jobs are being retried, what jobs queues are blocked, and why. We have introduced also this release introduced a compliance standard and maintaining the health EM sites with sizing recommendation for Oracle Management Service OMS and EM repository based on workloads running on the system. Finally, in this release, making EM patching simpler and more agile. Also in this release, we have consolidated the distributed agent patches into one single system patch for an agent. The agent system patch will include agent platform and agent plugin patches in one bundle. The benefits of using agent system patch are reduced overhead and a greater agility to staying current with agent patches. Alright. Okay, that's all my friends, and we have discussed all about Oracle Enterprise Manager 13.5 release new features. And in my upcoming videos, I'm going to give a demo to you all OEM 13.5 installation and the configuration on Oracle 19's database in Windows Server 2019 server. Okay, until then, stay tuned and stay connected with Oracle F1 channel. Subscribe, share, comment, and as always, welcomes your valuable comments and suggestions. Thank you very much.